Hello everyone, welcome back to Enginuety Lab. This is Sketcher exercise part 5 in CATIA V5, where we shall practice creating a complex profile using multiple sketch tools while maintaining proper design intent. If you want to improve your CATIA sketching speed, accuracy and confidence, this exercise is for you. So let's start mechanical design and part design. Rename this one as Sketcher exercise 5. And click on OK or press enter. And select the XY plane, click on the sketch tool to go into the sketcher workbench. Okay, so today we are going to create this sketch. Let's analyze this sketch, how we can create this one. Here you can see the diameter 32. This circle is at the origin of our sketch, so we can consider this diameter 22 as our origin, and this diameter 78, this one have the diameter 78, and there are 6 keyholes are available, which is at the pitch circle diameter of 58, and this here it is also the radius, and it is at the diameter of 32. We can create it at a diameter 32. Here you can find this radius is 43, and there are these two circles are symmetry about the vertical axis, and inner diameter is 18 mm and the outer diameter is 36 mm. Here at the top we have two circles. One, the inner circle is 12 mm diameter and the outer circle is 22 mm diameter. Here these corners are 20 for all the cases, and here it is radius 40 mm. These two circles are 90 mm apart from each other, and also this one is 57 mm from the center, and these are 57 mm from the center as well. Okay, let's go and create this sketch. We will create the inner circle diameter, that is 22 mm, and the 70 mm diameter, and the construction element diameter 58 mm. Okay, let's create this first. In the sketcher workbench, click on the circle and create this one, and we can create multiple circles at once. Now press the escape tool to get out of this command, and click on the constraint tool. Give the dimension, this is 22 mm. Double click on the constraint tool, this is 70 mm diameter, 78 mm, this is 22 mm, and this is 58 mm diameter. Okay, and make this one as construction line. Click on this line and click on the construction tool to make this one as construction line. Okay, up to this it's clear. Next is this circle, 6 number of circle of diameter 14 mm, and for this keyhole we have to create this circle first, and then we can create these lines, that is 6 mm, and this diameter is 32 mm. So we can create a 32 mm diameter here, and for that what I will do, I can create a circle, make it a standard element, and this one is 32 mm. Okay, here it is at the vertical axis. This is diameter of 14 mm. Okay. And here two lines. One is here and another one is here. This is 6 mm and also these are symmetric about the vertical axis. Okay. Click allow symmetry line about the vertical axis. Now our sketch is fully constrained and trim some elements. Trim this one, then trim this one. Now one keyhole is created. We have 6 keyholes available at this line. Sketch, for that what I can do, I can create another construction line to mark this center line, center point. Okay. And then I can select the whole sketch and the center line as well, where I have created right now, and click on the rotate tool. Click on the center point first and click on the radius or the center point of this keyhole. Then we want 5 instances as we want 6 number of circle, 6 number of keyhole, so we create 5 copies of this one. And constant conversion, click on this one, also 360 by 6. This will make the angle for 1 and click on OK. Now we have 6 number of keyholes at the pitch circle diameter of 32 mm. Not 32 mm, 58 mm. So let's give the dimensions as well to make it fully constant. I want this one 60 degree. This one is also 60 degree. This point is coincide with this one. Okay. Select all these points and click on and click on the constraint tool, and it's also not activated right now. We can delete these lines first and we can create another lines, as this is creating problem for us. What we will do, first coincide these lines, these points, the circles, this one with the circle, coincide this one with this circle, now all the circles are coincide with diameter 58. Let's make the line, this one to this point, another line, this line to the center point actual, this line is already created, and give the dimension. This is 60°. This is also 60°. Yeah. Let's create another line. Okay. This is 60° here. This point should be at the center of this one, coincide. So now our sketch is created, and these two lines are symmetry about this line. Same way for the all, we have to create. Okay. This is 16. This point is coincide at the center. This is 16 mm. This is 16 mm. This is 16 mm. This point is coincide with this center. This point, this point coincide. Make these lines carefully, because this will create problem while creating a rotate tool. When we use the rotate tool, this will create this kind of problems while creating. Okay. Up to this, our sketch is fully constant right now. Next one is create these two circles. In the inner diameter is 18 mm and outer diameter is 36 mm. Also select this tool circle and click on the standard element. Double click on the constraint tool. This is 18 mm and the outer one is the 36 mm, and this is also 45 mm from the center, and it is 104 minus 57 from the center. Okay. So this is created, and mirror this one about the vertical axis. Now let's create it on this side as well. We have another two circles at the top. 12 mm and 22 mm. So we can create those two. This is 12 mm and this is 22 mm. Okay, and this is 57 mm from the center. Okay, now up to this it is created. Now we have another circle which is 43 mm radius. Okay, let's create the circle at the origin, and this is 43 mm. The radius is 43 mm, so we can change it to radius and 43 mm. Now this circle is created, and again we can create this radius of 20 mm, so we can create the corners. Click on the corner and trim all tool. Click on this one, click on this one. Okay, the same way, click on this one and click on this one, and these are 20 mm. Modify the dimensions to 20 mm. Same way, this one, this one. This will create problem. So what we will do, we can click on this. We can use the no trim option here. Click on this one and this one, and we can trim it later. Now this is also 20 mm. This is also 20 mm. Okay, now we have another radius which is 40 mm. We can create it using the corner tool and the no trim option. Click on this circle, click on this circle, and this is, give the dimension radius 40. Okay, and use the trim tool to trim this extra line. Now click on the fit all in tool to fit in the sketcher workbench. Now our sketch is created with all the dimensions are fully constrained. That's all for sketcher exercise part 5 in CATIA V5. If this helped you, like, share and subscribe to Enginuety Lab. In the next part, we shall move to advanced sketch profile using real components. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.